Family owned and operated since 1904, Lancaster Plumbing, Heating and Cooling is your go-to full-service company, proudly serving South Central and Southeastern Pennsylvania. We can handle any of your plumbing, drain cleaning, or HVAC needs, but in this video, we're going to focus on our AC services. With over 100 years of experience, our technicians are highly trained, certified, and fully insured. Plus, they're familiar with all major brands of AC equipment, so whether you're in need of service, repair, or installation, we've got you covered. You can trust our highly knowledgeable staff who receive over 100 hours of mandatory training a year, so they're ready to handle your central air conditioners, ductless cooling systems, humidification systems, dehumidification systems, indoor air quality, and air scrubber service repairs and installations. We provide and install name brand factory authorized parts to ensure the highest quality for your home or business. And our upfront pricing structure ensures that you'll always get an honest price before your work is completed for your home. Because emergencies don't always occur between 9 and 5, our technicians are available 24/7 for all AC emergencies, including holidays, so you can rely on Lancaster Plumbing, Heating and Cooling at any time. We stand by our service, offering a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with the job, we'll do whatever it takes to make sure you're satisfied. There's no job too small or large that we can't handle. We will be there. Guaranteed. All of this is backed up by an A+ Better Business Bureau rating, as well as our many fantastic reviews from satisfied customers on Google, Angie's List, Yahoo, and Yelp. For more information, call us at 717-207-8198 to speak directly to one of our friendly customer service representatives who will answer your call with a smile. Or visit us on the web at lph.biz for our great specials, including a $99 AC check or a Freon check for only $19.95. Lancaster Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, the most respected plumbing, heating, cooling, and drain cleaning service company in your area since 1904.